You searched for how to buy shares of Allied Gold Corp. Allied Gold Corp is a gold mining company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AAUC, and this video is educational rather than financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker AAUC to find Allied Gold Corp. Select the listing that shows AAUC on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for AAUC. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to verify this is the right security. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will request you to add money before confirming. Once your order completes, the position appears in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform.